It is what it is.
It is what it is.
Aboki, you dey enjoy your chop cucumber?
Well, make I cut them for you.
Boy, cut them for me. Make I follow you enjoy.
You dey use your life to play.
Omo.
So they play.
Yo, now what you doing job with this?
Oh, alright.
Why
you sit down for me? No, I dey eat on this one, but I dey eat on for Arewa. Well,
so you not see any other fruits, banana, mango, those things the way food there. You say you want eat fruit, that's okay. Go inside, go pick fruit. Now you pick my cucumber. Why now?
So why you talk about go inside? Will make I take them for anything? But I take them for cucumber, man.
You can't go carry cucumber.
Why the best man? I tell them for me, but anytime make I call them for anything, man. So me I take them for cucumber.
Please, now you get the cucumber. Aboki,
He shock you.
what is? You don't know what thing get the carry cucumber do? Aboki,
Me.
you wash the cucumber what you give me?
Why I go water? Cucumber I clean, man.
You don't wash cucumber, you carry cucumber give me my chop.
He shock you.
Are you playing? What type of playing is this?
So you not bring money come to the house. Now you say you won't do abi? Now you say you want. You want spin me?
I will let me kind of best.
Is it forever?
Just like that. Not vex for waiting. No, you must spin me. No, you must talk to me.
Me I talk and make kind of best, man.
Spin me. No, you won't spin me. Spin me. You must spin me.
Me I talk and for make kind of best.
No, you must spin me. You must not. You must spin me. Spin me now. You must talk to me.
I change down for my money.
No.
Help me.
Spin me.
If they carry me,
Spin me.
I
You
don't
must
know.
spin me now. Spin me.
I don't want peace.
Funny. If you were asked to rate me, what would you rate me with?
Rate you. Well, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H.
Are you playing?
I'm supposed to hear of this.
I, J, K.
What type of playing is this?
Meaning, which kind of description is that? I don't like this kind of alphabet description. What do you mean by A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H?
You don't even know what you need. Okay, wait, let me explain.
Continue.
A stand for adore. The B stand for beautiful. Then C stand for cute.
There is God.
Then D stand for delightful.
Wow.
Then E stand for eloquent.
You be mumu. You think say they wise?
Then F stand for passionate.
You lied.
You still be here.
Then G stand for gorgeous.
Funke!
And of course H.
See whining.
Yeah.
Thank you.
May God not allow them, make them kill you.
No, now, you said A to K. Stop in H. What about the Syriac alphabet that's remaining?
Actually, that one.
Really, I'm not satisfied.
No, we still have I, J, K. What about that I, J, K?
See, our advice is just keep the I, J, K aside.
No, I want to know what is remaining. That's I, J, K. You have already described me now. A to H.
Oh.
What about the remaining three alphabets? I want to hear it.
I can see. You want to get it.
I want problems always.
I stand for I am. J stand for just.
What about the K?
And K stand for key. I'm just kidding.
What kind of joke is that you are just kidding?
Wait.
He shot you.
When I said you are adoring, so you thought I meant what I said. Wait. You are seeing the dead. Yeah? What happened to the dead? There's light, there's everything. And you are here. I'm here. What am I doing? Holding people. How was I supposed to hold you? If you're beautiful and cute, the way I describe you, you're supposed to be holding. You're supposed to have that sense. That.
You should know now.
No, Daddy. See, I'm just kidding. You are not. You are ugly. Why? You irritate me. That's why I'm watching the match.
Sorry.
See this man. See this man they find. See, so you there they sleep.
For what?
Aboki.
Wallahi, you I dey touch am for my body I dey totori am for me for guys. So wallahi make I put am for my number wallahi. I will give am for money gaskiya.
208
Wallahi.
676 545 Zenith Bank.
Hey wallahi, make I check am at restaurant for 1 million ba.
Are you playing? What type of plane is this?
This man.
Only I dey do am for me ba. Oh yeah, make I call am for my number.
311
Hey wallahi.
78 88 336 First Bank.
You don't know why it's going on.
Hey. 1 million.
You be mumu. You think say you dey wise? You are a mumu man.
Wallahi, what's happening?
The waitress. Please, what do you care for? Give us talking, fried rice, and make it very dry. The turkey, let it dry.
Yes, yeah.
And
Salad.
exotic, right?
The chest of pepper turkey, please.
Yes.
But the chest is not cold. Please don't bring it. I want a very chilled cheese for it.
I understand.
It's capable.
So yes, yeah, make I give up for them for yes, yeah.
May God not allow them make them
Shut the door, okay?
It's very snappy, okay?
Wallahi, look at that. Wallahi, you are the one for me to worry.
Who is there again now? Who again? What happened now?
What's the around?
Please, how do you make a payment?
Why are you asking for me question? I tell you me I don't get them for money.
This man.
You are the asking for me question. Wallahi, make a go mana.
For what?
Yeah, why are you shouting at me?
Calm down.
Wallahi, I see you calm down.
Calm down.
You are the talking for me.
Relax.
Calm down.
Relax.
I tell you mana.
Relax.
Okay, don't shout at me.
Relax.
You are
Relax.
You don't know why it's going on.
See this man. See this man they find. See, so you there they sleep.
Sleep forever.
Yes! Yes!
Don't run!